Flat Earthers loves Nikon cameras, especially P1000 and P900, and they think they proves that we live on a flat Earth. So today I will use one of them's videos. Let's start. Pablosdog is a YouTuber who loves his Nikon camera, and he claims that we see too far. A great thing with Pablosdog is that he always makes his video on the same location. It's in Santa Barbara in California, a classical flurf place, and he's always at the parking lot close to the University of California. This is the view you see in the start of all of his videos, so I have selected all videos he's made from February this year until now, and it's 9 of them. So let's compare them. I haven't found in a video where he compares his own material, so I will do it for him. But first, let's have a quick look on one of those videos. All of them is made the same way. I have marked all of the videos with date, and the one I will show is his first one. I will quick forward some parts of the video.
It's Friday, February 9th, 2024. It's about 3:37 in the afternoon. It's about 58 degrees out. Air temperature, water temp's about the same. Humidity is probably 50-60%. Really low tide right now. It's like a minus tide, just for reference. So that's Baseline at 6.5 miles. Muscle Shoals down there behind it at 23 miles. So that's platform Hogan at 17.8. That comes to the left. There's about 30 miles, and behind Hogan's about 32 miles at Long's Ventura.
So let's compare images of that platform from his 9 videos. So here we have the frame with the same platform from all 9 videos. Let's compare this with a close-up on the platform. It's quite obvious, you don't see the whole platform in any of those 9 videos. And I have looked at older videos too, and I have the same result. You never see the whole platform, regardless of atmospheric conditions. As you can see in these images, you have miraging and so on, but you never see the whole platforms. So, as I suspected, Pablosdog did give us great evidence that we don't live on a flat Earth. There are more. I have found another great video from Pablosdog that, of course, proves that we live on a globe. Now we will have a look at the video that he calls Ship in the channel, and I will cut out some parts so it not gets so long. Let's look at this dumpster fire.
So it's based on some of the analysis I've seen, it'd be coming toward us a little bit. So coming out of that mirage out there. Again, that's the west end of Anacapa. Of course, probably hiding 300-400 foot of it out there. Interesting little line right there. He's definitely climbing out of the barrage, huh? Just getting closer to us where the garage doesn't affect as much height, I guess. Much elevation.
Oh dear, it's not climbing out of the mirage. As you said, it's coming closer to you and then you will see more of the ship because of the curvature of Earth.
So that's another ship heading up the, I guess, probably 5 miles west of the east end of Santa Cruz Island. Sunday, February 11th, about 3:24 in the afternoon. Another container ship there. He's moving slow, though. I think it's a container ship. Something.
A ship with a lot of containers. What kind of ship can it be?
Back was San Pedro Point in Mirage. Your first ship? And then the second ship. I was starting to pop up.
And there we had another great proof for the globe. I'm impressed by this man's stupidity. He make video after video after video, and all of them are great proofs that will live on a globe. And the same goes for the video that you see in the middle of this screen, the one with the container ships. Also proves the globe. And he don't realize that he is publishing proofs after proofs after proofs that it's not a flat earth that we live on. Okay, that was all for this time. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe, become a member, or just come back next time I'm showing a video. Bye.